Hi, welcome back and welcome to my channel GEG Agra or the Techie Krish. So most of you must be surprising what is GEG and why is GEG. So I want to tell you that GEG is Google Educators Group. So it is assigned to me by the Google, rather Google India or Google International. The aim of this GEG2 is spread computer education or the education or information technology in education. So Google provides many of the applications which are involved in upgradation of education. And as far as NEP is concerned, in the classroom, it is mandatory to incorporate information technology in the classroom. So a teacher without the knowledge of information technology cannot survive in this era without IT. And in this regard, Google plays a vital role as far as educational apps are concerned. And the apps which are given by the Google are free of cost. You don't have to pay a penny for all the applications. So most of the applications which are used in schools in daily routine are provided by the Google. Okay. In the same way, Google also created a AI tool, that is Google Gemini. Google also created a AI tool, Notebook LM. So in that reference, I am discussing what can Gemini do for the teachers, for the for the educators and the learners. So in the same sequence, today I am going to give you insights that how to create presentations in few seconds using Google Gemini. So it will create the presentation in just few seconds. For that I'll use Google Gemini and I'll use another AI application, that is the Gamma application. So with the help of these two, I'll create the presentation which I'll show you through Google Slides. And Google Slides is a presentation tool of Google for Education. So let's move to our presentation to discuss Gemini and creating the presentation. So I was discussing Google Gemini, and here again what I discussed about Google Gemini, it is again here. Google Gemini is the Google's latest powerful AI tool. Understands and generates text, code, studio, audio, images, and videos. Designed for versatility to assist many tasks. Represents the cutting edge advances in AI technology. So this is the reference of Google Gemini, and now I am taking you to the slide where through which I'll create the presentation. And yesterday I created lyrics for a song, and through Suno AI I created the song also. And this time I am going to create the presentation, and through Gamma app I'll create the slide presentation. So here this is what I am going to do here. I'm going to create a presentation, and topic of my presentation is life in village. So create a presentation on life in village in North India, 5 or 8 slides. The presentation includes environment, the people, the culture of the villages, rituals of the villages, wedding, and the conclusion. So this is I am going to discuss here. So I am taking you to the Google Gemini. So it will load Google Gemini. So it is loaded here. And from here, since I have copied all the prompts and saved in a document, so I'll go to that document and copy that prompt, because typing prompts on the separate document saves the time. So I'm going to take the third point, the third prompt, that is create a presentation on life in village in North India. 5 or more than 5 slides. The presentation includes environment, people, culture, rituals, wedding, and conclusions. Sorry, the serial number is wrong, but no issue. You understand. Means fourth is ritual, 5 is wedding, and 6 is conclusion. Now I'm going to copy this. Eight slides, no issue. Copy and paste the copied prompt in Gemini and click go. Okay, so it will generate the presentation. So here, this is the presentation, content of the presentation, and in the right pane you can see the content of the presentation. Okay, then I'll copy the entire presentation from here, from Google Gemini, and take you to the Gamma application. Now Gamma application, so see here, Gamma app, and press the enter key. So Gamma app is loaded, and here you see you will have to register for Gamma. This is free of cost. You can register yourself with Gamma application, and this is free. And here you'll see create new. So I'm going to create a presentation. So new from blank, but I am going to create the presentation using the text which I have created through Gemini. Okay, and whatever I have copied from Gemini, I'll paste it here in paste in text box or window. See here, so I have copied the text and pasted here. And after pasting, since I want to create the presentation, and so here there are some different modes. The first mode is default, so I'll take default only. So they are traditional, tall, but I am choosing, okay, I'm choosing a traditional. Okay, fine, I'm choosing traditional, no issue, but default will also create the same, a little difference. Okay, after that, Gamma takes you to this interface where you will see you will have to select the languages, and it is asking about the images and the language, so it is showing English India. And even you can create the presentation, Gamma can create the presentation in Hindi also. And the format is simple, traditional format. And after that, I'll click continue, and here I'll by default it will create 8 slides or 8 cards, and if you want to create more, then you will have to subscribe or purchase the version of Gamma, so that you can create multiple number of cards. So it allows you when you purchase it. So I think 8 cards are more than enough. Continue. Then it will show you the templates, what kind of template you want to create the presentation. So here there are so many themes available. So out of those themes you can select. So here there's a list of themes, and out of those themes you can select one, or you can, if you want new, or you can shuffle the themes, it will shuffle also. So see here, this is theme, but I want this, I don't want this. Okay, fine. Then I'll go to shuffle the theme, and after shuffling I choose this one and generate. So as soon as I select generate, it starts generating the presentation. The images will be incorporated automatically because AI is generating the images for every slide. And after creating the presentation, we have to share. We have to share, or in share, we can export this presentation. We can export this presentation to I selected Google Slides, but here there are options: export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, and now export to Google Slides. So I am exporting the presentation into Google Slides. So it will generate and export to Google Slides, and when it is exported, it will show. Click here to view your Google Slide presentation or Google Slide export. So click here link. So the presentation is here. So this is the presentation, and now I'll select open with. So open with Google Slides. Google Slides. So it will load Google Slides and will adjust all the slides in Google Slides presentation. See here. Now I can click or present slideshow, and it is showing the presentation here. So this is how we can create the presentation within no time with the help of Google Gemini and Gamma. Even Google Gemini also has a feature to generate the presentation very fast, but in this version of Google Slides, which is available in India presently, will not generate as fast as Gamma can do. But yes, in times to come, because another version of Google Slides will automatically create the presentation like Gamma. So this is how I created this presentation, and I hope you like it. How to create the presentation within no time. You simply have to give the prompt to Google Gemini, and it will create or generate the content of the presentation, and copy that content from Google Gemini and paste it in Gamma, and Gamma will create and select the theme also, and Gamma will create the presentation. As you can run this in Google Slides or in any presentation software. Okay. So this is how we can create the presentation using Google Gemini and Gamma application. So hope you understood how to do this. You need Gamma application and knowledge how to create the presentation and how to write the prompt. The main backbone of this presentation is only the prompt. If prompt is suitable and targeting the objective, then you'll be able to create a good presentation. So hope you understood the concept of creating the presentation using Google Gemini and Gamma app. And in my next video, I'll discuss more on Google Gemini and other applications. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon also, so that you get the notification of my video as and when it is created. So we meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.